Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Beauty and the Feast, where we talk about all things beauty and food related. And today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's going to be slightly different from any other unboxing that I have done on my channel or will do on my channel. I'm a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, and I was finally able to get my hands on the Ivy box, which is a subscription box that is $35 a month. You can either pay for it on a monthly basis every 3 months or for the year. And they had so many people that were trying to subscribe to their subscription box that it was overwhelming. So they closed down the subscription. So they finally opened it up in November, and I was able to get in and get registered. And so I finally received mine. If you are a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha and you are not subscribed and you're not really familiar, although I'm sure you are, but if you're not familiar, they take the money out the first week or the first of each month, and then you receive your subscription box by the end of the month. So anywhere between the 25th and the 30th of each month, you'll receive your box. I got mine on Tuesday, which is the 26th of December. I'm a little bit late unboxing this. I've been waiting to do this. I haven't had time to do it, so I'm finally able to do it. So, and I've been like holding back from watching other unboxings of this or going on Instagram to see what other people got, because I wanted to be surprised because this is my first one. So it's kind of like another little pink and green Christmas for me. Let's get into the box and see what I got. Now, before I start, you do not have to be a member to subscribe to this box. I know plenty of people who are not members of Alpha Kappa Alpha that have signed up for this specifically to give these give these as gifts to people who are members of my sorority. So if you are subscribed to this, just understand that anything in this box that you see, they're always going to be related to women who are members of Alpha Kappa Alpha. So if you are getting this box and you are not a member, you can, this is a great gift giver. So gift giver, that's not what I mean. This is great to give as a gift to someone who is a member of my sorority or anyone that you may know that is an AKA. So without further ado, let's get into the box and see what I got. Okay, so when you get the box, it comes like this in the priority mailbox, and it's actually pretty secure. Let's see how we open this. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, so when you open the box, of course, it's priority mail, and then you get your packing slip, and it has, you know, the information about it's the receipt basically. And then this is the box for this month, for the month of December. Now, from what I understand, the box used to be a little different. I'll put a picture of what the box used to be. Sorry, I was looking at the monitor, but I'll put a picture of what the box used to be. So they changed it. And of course on the box it says Ivy box, and it says membership has its privileges, and it says for pretty girls only on the front. So it's really pretty, it's really cute. And this is really good because in my chapter we have secret sorors. So some sorors, they put their gifts for their secret soror in an Ivy box, so they reuse the box. So, and it's a pretty box to reuse. So let's see what we got. So in the box, it comes like this, all wrapped in pretty, like this. And has the tissue paper, and it says cheers, holly jolly cheers to the new year. And then it says holly jolly, and you know, different little sayings about the holidays, since this is a December box. At the event this afternoon, some of the stores tried to spoil it for me and tell me what I was getting in my box because they had the Ivy box already. I was like, I won't do it, devil. You ain't gonna tempt me. I don't want to know what's in it. Is that? Oh, he's so cute. Okay, so these are the items, and they're packed pretty nice up. I don't want anything to fall out. So these are the items. And if you want to see what they've given out in the past, you can just go, it says it right here, like hashtag hype Ivy box. I can't even talk today. Oh my gosh. Sorry y'all, it's been a long day. Been up since like 6:30 doing stuff for this Kwanzaa event. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Ivy box December theme, in his presence. So that is the card. And it just says in his presence, and it says what's in the box, and it tells you. And then they are currently, and I did check the website this morning, and they are accepting subscriptions for January's Ivy box. So you know, going forward, obviously I'm going to be getting them every single month, but for people who were not able to get in to subscribe back in November, they had closed it for December, I believe, and so they're reopening it now. So I believe there's still room for people to subscribe in January. So if you want to subscribe, get on it now, because they're going to close it again. So so just make sure you get on it. And then it has all their social media pages, and where you can contact them, and where you can connect with them online. So that's really pretty. And then this is the card. Again, this is like a pretty little Christmas card. Okay, and then we have a little pin, which is really pretty. It's a pink and green pin. And it has it has the ivy leaf with the pearls on there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bright. My light's a little bright. Sorry. But I'll post a little picture of it up here somewhere, so you can see what it really looks like. This is really pretty. And you can use these, you can pin them when we go to conferences, or we go to a sorority event, or if we're out in public and we need to, you know, show that, you know, we're here on the scene and we're supporting whatever cause we're at the time. You just pin it. We can just pin it. How my pin is here. You can just pin it on, you know, your shirt. So, okay. Oh, and then we have a hat, a winter hat, which is cute. We have a couple of events coming up in January, and it's going to be freezing cold. I'm in Jersey, and right now it is, well, it was snowing earlier, but the high earlier this week was like 17 degrees, so I'm definitely going to need a hat. So yes, so this is the hat. Really, really cute. And again, it has the shape of the ivy with the pearls around it, and it has AKA in the center, so really cute. Oh, and then we have a planner for 2018. It says, if you think I'm pretty, wait until you see my ambition. And this is really cute. And on the back it says, in a world full of pigeons, be a flamingo. And that's on the back, so that's really cute. And it's actually showing up a lot brighter. Let me take it out of the package. How about that? How about I take it out of the plastic? So yes, so this is the planner. And here's the back. And the planner is really pretty. It has the ivy leaves, the ivy vine around the saying, and it has different things on there. Like, this is really cute because it has a little like welcome page, and then it has a list of all the different conferences that are coming up for this coming year, which is really helpful because sometimes people don't necessarily know when our regional conferences come up or when our Founders Day events come up. So that's really cute. And then it goes obviously month to month. And January is really cute. It has a quote from Lena Horne. It says, "It's not the load that breaks you down, it's the way you carry it." So I thought that was really cute. And then, let's see if it has in the back. Well, it has future plans. So future plans for maybe the ongoing month, the upcoming year, so maybe beyond 2018 going into 2019. It has a budget tracker, so like a bill tracker, put your budget in there, and then it has a notes section. And then it also has a pocket in the back so you can put whatever papers you want. Is that a pocket in the front? No. But it does say this is your year. So this is really cute. I like this. And again, all of these items, if you get a subscription box, just like any other subscription, like I have a subscription to Ipsy, I also have a subscription to Sephora Play. I did have one for not BoxyCharm. Oh shoot, what was the other one? It doesn't even matter because I stopped the subscription. Yeah, I didn't really care for that box, so I stopped subscription for that. But I still have the Ipsy and Sephora Play, and just like any other subscription box, if you don't like all the items in your boxes, it's okay. You can always regift them or give them away. With Greek items, I would not donate them, but I would give them to another store that I know would appreciate the gift. So, but I will be using this planner. This is super cute. And I really appreciate the touch of putting our regional conferences on there. I'm only in the North Atlantic region, so I would only go to our conference. But any other conference, there are other stores in my chapter who have gone to other regional conferences if they happen to be in the area at the time. So it's good to know. The one thing that I do like about the subscription is that because they will give you items that are not necessarily just like a hat or pins or stationery, they also give clothing. So I think last month they gave like a jersey or something like that. So when you sign up for your subscription, they will ask you for your size, your shirt size. So it'll say your sweater size, your t-shirt size, I believe, and then I believe they do it where you can do like regular t-shirt size or fitted tee. So anything that's like kind of like a baby doll tee, or So I did just regular tees because some of the items, most of my Nelia is regular sizes. Like I don't really wear the fitted items. I just prefer the bigger sizes on this. So this, so I say all that to say, they gave a sweater, it looks like. And although I'm pretty petite, I got a size large because my arms are really long, and even though the sweater is kind of big on me, I'm pretty busty, so I try to be mindful of that when I'm wearing Nelias because I don't want to look, all scantily clad, if you will. So this is a sweater, so we'll take this out. And so I got a large. It may be too big. If it's too big, I'll go back in and I'll change my size, and I can give this maybe to my sister because she has more of a booty, so it'll probably look really nice on her. If I can't fit it, hopefully I can fit it though. Put the box down. Actually, no. Oh, I can fit this. So it's like a long, sweater. So it has again the little Ivy with the pearls around it and AKA in there. Really cute. So it's like a long sweater actually. So I'm 5'8", so it goes pretty long, and it's kind of ribbed a little bit. And it's a turtleneck, so it has the ribbing in there and everything. So that's really cute. I really like that. Okay. So, and it's a long sleeve as well. I don't know if I said that. So that's really good because, my arms are so freaking long. It's ridiculous. So I always have to sometimes go a size up because my long arms, I don't want no long sleeve shirt that stops right here and it's not supposed to stop right there. Like this is not the business right here. But I actually like when I wear sweaters, especially, like I like them to be down a little bit. So those are all the items that I got in my Ivy box, which I'm really happy about because I don't know if you're Greek and you're watching this, whether you are a member of AKA, you're a Delta Sigma Theta, if you're a Q, whatever, Sigma, you know that paraphernalia costs so much money. Like a t-shirt will cost like $30 and and then a sweater would be something like $75, $80. So for $35 for me to get all of these items, honestly, is like a steal. So if you again, if you're Greek, I would highly suggest there's another site that I did see that is starting a subscription for all Greeks. And I'm pretty sure there are others out there for Delta Sigma Theta, for SG Rose, for Zetas, and for any fraternity. And these are all of these organizations, if you're not familiar with African American sororities and fraternities, those ones that I'm naming are all part of the National Pan-Hellenic Greek organizations, and they're all part of the Divine Nine. So any other Greeks outside of that, I'm not really sure. I mean, I'm sure they have them somewhere, but I'm only familiar with ones that are geared towards the Divine Nine Greek organizations. So if I can find the site that said that they were going to be doing subscription boxes for other Greeks, I will put it down below. And if you are a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha and you have not subscribed to this box, I suggest you do it. Highly suggest you do that, because this is the time of year. We are at the end of 2017. We are coming into conference season. Regional conferences are coming up soon. Cluster Founders Days are coming up. Leadership cluster leadership conferences are coming up. So you know, the vendors, they do bring down their prices a little bit at conferences, but you can't beat $35 for all of these items. There's no way that you're going to be able to go to a conference and stop at a vendor table and get all of these items for $35. So I would highly suggest you subscribe to the Ivy box. And if you know anyone who's an AKA, if you're watching this and you know someone that's an AKA and they would appreciate any items, you know, that are geared towards our sorority, I would highly suggest that you do that. Be a great gift for anyone who's a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha. So that is everything. Thank you. If this was long-winded, I tried to keep it really short because I was rushing from one event and now I got to go to a family event in about an hour. So I wanted to hurry up and get this recorded and try and get it up as soon as possible for the new year, hopefully. Yeah, so anyway, thank you for joining me. Thank you for stopping by. The next video that I record will probably be back to regular beauty and food related items. So until then, Happy New Year. I hope you had a very blessed and joyous Christmas with you and your loved ones, and I will see you next time.